Hunstanworth is a small village in County Durham, England. It is situated approximately 10 miles to the west of Consett, southwest of the village of Blanchland. The population of the village as taken at the 2011 census was 116. The village was designed and built around the original 1781 parish church. The Reverend Daniel Capper commissioned architect Samuel Sanders Teulon to create the village in the 1860s. As well as rebuilding the church, Teulon delivered a vicarage and stable block, school, and schoolhouse and a mix of terraced, semi-detached and detached houses, all constructed of sandstone. Hunstanworth is one of the thankful villages that suffered no fatalities during the Great War of 1914 to 1918. References. External links. Media related to Hunstanworth at Wikimedia Commons.